Determination of molecular weight by Rast method. Aim: to determine the molecular weight of the given substance by Rast method. Principle: according to Raoult's law, if a non-volatile substance is dissolved in a suitable solvent, its molecular weight can be determined by measuring the colligative property, that is, depression of freezing point till Tf for the solution of known molality M. The depression of freezing point is related to the molality of the solution by the equation del Tf equal to Kf into M, where del Tf equal to difference between the freezing point of the solvent and the freezing point of solution, Kf molar depression constant of the solvent, M molality of the solute in the solution. The molar depression constant is calculated using the following expression: Kf equal to W1 into M2 into del Tf divided by 1000 into W2. Knowing the Kf value, the molecular weight of the given solution is determined using the formula M2 is equal to Kf into 1000 into W2 divided by W1 into del Tf, where W1 weight of the solvent, W2 weight of solute, del Tf difference in the freezing point, Kf molar depression constant. Experiment. Chemicals required: solvent, solutes of known molecular weight A and unknown molecular weight B. Apparatus required: thermometer, stirrer, boiling tube and beaker. About 5 gram of solvent is accurately weighed using electronic weighing balance. Approximately 5 gram of the solvent is now transferred to the specimen tube, that is boiling tube, provided with stirrer and thermometer. The specimen tube is heated in a water bath using a small flame with constant stirring until the solvent melts completely. The mercury bulb of the thermometer should be immersed in the substance. Then the tube is cooled slowly by removing the flame. During cooling, the temperature is noted for every 30 seconds. To the 5 gram of the solvent, about 0.5 gram of the solute of known molecular weight is added. The weighing should be carried out using the electronic balance. The same procedure should be followed. The freezing point T2 is determined. To the solution having 5 gram of the solvent and 0.5 gram of the solute, add another 0.3 gram of solute. The procedure repeated to determine the freezing point T3. The experiment is carried out with the given solute of the unknown molecular weight. The depression in the freezing point is determined by the same procedure and the molecular weight of the substance is calculated. Calculation. The recorded temperatures are tabulated. Molecular weight of solute A is 154. The freezing point of the solvent T1, the solvent plus 0.5 gram of solute A, T2, and the solvent plus 0.8 gram of solute A are determined from the cooling curve obtained by plotting temperature against time. The accurate weight of the substance is obtained by W1 minus W2, where W1 is the weight of substance and weighing bottle. W2 is the weight of weighing bottle alone. The recorded temperature of solvent plus solute B of 0.5 gram and solvent plus 0.8 gram of solute B are tabulated. The freezing point of the solvent T1, the solvent plus 0.5 gram of unknown solute B and solvent plus 0.8 gram of unknown solute B are determined from the cooling curve obtained by plotting temperature against time. The accurate weight of the substance is obtained by W1 minus W2. W1 weight of substance and weighing bottle. W2 weight of empty weighing bottle. The Kf value of the solvent is determined using the formula Kf is equal to W1 into M2 into del Tf divided by 1000 into W2. And the Kf values are tabulated. The molecular weight of the unknown solute B is calculated using the formula M2 is equal to Kf into W2 into 1000 divided by W1 into del Tf. There are two Kf values for the solvent. So, we have obtained 4 molecular weight for the unknown solute. Finally, the results are summarized.